సర్వం కోల్పోయిన వయనాడ వరద బాధితులను ఆదుకునేందుకు ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ముందుకు రావాలని పిలుపునిచ్చారు మెగాస్టార్ చిరంజీవి. వయనాడ్లో మాటలకు అందని నష్టం జరిగిందని ఆవేదన వ్యక్తం చేశారు ఆయన. కేరళ రాష్ట్రం తిరువనంతపురంకు వచ్చిన చిరంజీవి ఆ రాష్ట్ర సీఎంతో భేటీ అయ్యారు. వయనాడ్ బాధితులను ఆదుకునేందుకే ఆర్థిక సహాయం చేశారు. వయనాడ్ వరద బీభత్సాన్ని జాతీయ విపత్తుగా ప్రకటించాలని ప్రధానిని కోరారు చిరంజీవి.
Modi, our Honorable Prime Minister is coming, and I will request this Wayanadu disaster should be recognized as a national calamity. That will be very helpful to the state of Kerala and especially the Wayanadu victims. So, and those people who stood behind these people of victims and sufferers, I will appreciate all the sisters and brothers of Kerala. I love them, and my heartfelt support, concern, my gratitude will be, my sympathies will be with them. God bless. God bless God's own land.
Sir, we are all happy to see you here. What made you to come here to Kerala to see you?
See, in the TVs, when I happened to see this Wayanadu incident, those clippings, really it was heartbroken, and I'm terribly upset. The second day, third day, I couldn't see that much of horrible scenes I saw, and I thought this is a time where, despite it is our place or Kerala or other state, no, all of us, we are Indians. This is the time to react and extend our helping hand. Sorry, may not be it is huge amount, whatever it is. Please, everyone should come forward. That's what I urge everyone. And I came forward, and my son Ramcharan also very touched. He happened to be in LA. After Paris, he went to LA. That's the reason he couldn't come. And he told me, don't wait for me. As soon as possible, you please go and give that money to the CM's Relief Fund. And I come here.